morning, good morning, good morning. So we're headed back to that. I did a service call last week where I changed out the inducer. The blower on the inducer was just rusted out and broken, so the inducer wasn't working. So we got a call back saying that the unit is not working. We got a call this morning. It was last Friday, so it lasted about almost a week, 5-6 days, give or take. So let's see what's going on, see if we did something wrong or why it's not heating. So it just started snowing out of nowhere here in Georgia. I mean, I don't know, I didn't really look at the forecast. I didn't know if it was gonna snow or not, but I really wasn't expecting it to snow. I'm gonna turn this thing on heat. Okay, I hear it running. Okay. Blower is not running yet. Wait, I don't think the flame ever kicked in. I don't think the gas bill isn't paid for. Let's make sure we got gas before we start acting crazy. Okay, we got some gas. Okay, guys, I don't mean to bleed all of that out like that, but just seeing all that dust come out of it kind of tripped me out, so I was trying to make sure it was actual gas. Okay. Let's test that gas valve. Like 24 volts. Okay, gas valve is on. Got the igniter on. Okay, I heard the gas valve click. See if I can clean out the ports with the thermostat wire. See if that'll make a difference. Seem pretty clear. And before I put this back on, get my brush through there. can't say, man. Can't say if that was clogged or whatnot. We're gonna let this thing run for a minute, get our temperature rise, and we'll go from there. Okay, got a temperature rise of 50, so it's right in between the range. I think the range on this furnace is about 35 to 60, something like that. So I just noticed though, I think this thing only has one small return, and I don't even know if it's a 10-inch. So I'm about to check the static pressure on this. It's been about 15 minutes. Unit's been running ever since I just messed with it, really. So check it here. So 0.3. Now let me get a reading at the supply. Okay. So 0.5, that's not bad. I was expecting something crazy. Supply side is 0.2, return side with the filter is 0.3. Let's take that filter out just so we can see. Let's take the filter out. You see you got 0.2. All right, guys, we're gonna check this out. We don't want no excuses of having to come back here. It could have just been those ports that I cleaned out and the flame actually worked after that. Oh, we. Alright, gas pressure is at 3.5. Take a look at this thing. It ran about 35 minutes. Yeah, 32 minutes. We want this to drop below 100. Alright, so that blower just started. Our oxygen pretty much stayed the same. 0. See, man, I don't know what fill piece got going on, man. I had sent this to get replaced, and now I don't trust it because it kept showing a 0 on a previous furnace that I had. So now I don't even trust this, man. I don't even trust the CO sensors. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, we're pretty good, guys. I can't say what. I guess the ports were just dirty. Yeah, let's turn this gas pressure up, see if it'll make a difference on the CO. Man, I don't trust this tool. So I just fired it back up again. It goes down all the way to 0. I guess there's 0 ppm in there and the flue. So really, I'm just gonna use this damn tool for the oxygen. Let me turn up this gas pressure, see if it'll make a difference. Alright, so I put it up to 4.6 for testing purposes. The oxygen level went down. That's because there's more gas pressure, but I don't know about these readings, man. I don't really. I used to have a testo and it never showed that low, but hey, it might be me. Look, it's showing 0 now. I sent this out. I just got it back like 2 weeks ago, so I don't know. I'll change the filter that's in here, see if it'll make a difference. Now I got 12. But yeah, guys, the furnace looks to be okay. I'm not sure what the issue was, but when I got here, it wasn't firing up. I cleaned those ports up, it fired up. I want to say that was the issue. So yep, this was a callback after we replaced that inducer. So we checked the static pressure, we checked the gas pressure, we checked the temperature rise. We're doing a combustion analysis on it. Let me turn this gas pressure back down. So 3.3 ppm went down, the oxygen went back up. So yeah, I'm not a real good expert on these combustion tools. I didn't do it much. So let me know, guys, if y'all got one of these, what y'all look for. Is this 0 normal? From my previous experience, it was never normal. I read online that some field pieces don't show any readings when it's below 20, but hey. All right, we're gonna check the inlet gas pressure. When I took this off, it was real dirty, so that could be an issue as well. We're just gonna check that pressure, and then we're gonna call it a day. All right, guys, we're pretty good on our inlet gas pressure. Like I said, when I took this off, I saw a bunch of dirt. I don't know if it was on the fitting or what, but 7.2, that's about what you want. The minimum on this furnace says the maximum is 13.8. The minimum is 5.0 inches of water column. For natural gas. So we got 7.19, so 7.20. We got 7 inches of water column. Basically, we're good. So hey, I can't find what's wrong with the furnace. I guess it was just that port. Let's blame it on that port, guys. That's what it was. So let's get up out of here. We'll get pictures of all these readings too. That way we can have it on the report.